Hello, this is Mary Lynn Van Sweeten with Partners in Technology. I am going to show you some very nice tools in sales order entry when you are entering items. On screen, we have an order in progress in Sage 100C version 2018. At the top left corner, we're going to see a number of icons, and we're going to explore each of these. The first one is an Alias Item Lookup. This will display all of the alias items for this particular customer. If I select on this, it's going to return my item code. I'm going to continue on by placing my quantity ordered, but you'll notice down in my secondary grid where I have my alias item number, it's being retained. I'm going to be able to have this on sales orders and sales order invoices. Of course, I'm going to have to modify those custom forms just a teeny bit to bring those numbers on. Easy to do. The next icon is a little brown icon that is a bill of material search. It is also going to show all of my kits. In my particular case, I'm going to select D1400. When I bring this in, it's going to ask me if I want to pull it from stock or by component. I'm going to stay by stock, and then I can continue on with my order. Moving to the next icon, we're going to see the customer's last purchase history. This is showing each invoice and each sales order with the price that was on each. If I select from this, I'm going to select this first line, it's going to return that, and you'll notice it returns a unit price of $260. I'm going to put my quantity in, and then I'm going to come up to this little icon over here, and I am going to have it insert the last price that this customer paid. So it's this little icon that after I've done the search in the customer's last purchase history that will allow me to automatically bring that unit price to my sales order. Moving on, I'm going to see another little drill down icon. If I click on this and I'm going to have an item selected. If I click on this, it's going to show me the quantities on hand, on purchase order, on sales order, etc. for all the warehouses that this inventory item is in. Moving on, this little arrow over here is actually going to bring up a menu. It's going to show me item status for this warehouse. The next one is a price lookup. This customer has a price level. This price level can be assigned to different pricing structures. And I could see each one of those to see if we have quantity discounts or if there is any other discounts available to this customer for that item. Let's go on to this one and you'll see what I mean. Here I have price level 2 and I have price discounts, and if this customer orders certain quantities, he's going to get a lower price. Let's move on down the list. We could see alternate warehouses. I'm in warehouse 001, but if I have insufficient quantities, perhaps I want to change my sales order line to be a different warehouse. I can choose that from here. Coming down, I can also look if there's alternate items. If I have insufficient quantities of the item that my customer is ordering, I could offer them an alternative. Let's keep coming down. I'm going to see item memos. I can look up any item memos here and create new memos or modify memos, provided of course my role allows me to do those tasks. I'm going to keep coming down. Click on item maintenance. Rather than having to go to the inventory module and bringing up item maintenance, I can do it right from my sales order screen. I have full access to everything here that my role allows me to have. Alternately, if I don't want to go into maintenance, I can go into item inquiry, and I'm going to get the same screen, but I won't be able to make any modifications. There's one last item on my little menu, and it's AR price level inquiry. This is only available if sales order option has the Enable Default Price Level by Customer checked, and a matching product line and price record exists for this line. In my sample data, that's not true, thus the menu item is grayed out. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.